is Ruud Visser and our team. And in the next 7 minutes we would like to share with you the vision and the business plan of Pelicast. Well, in the past years, a lot has changed in the entertainment industry. Consider Spotify. They completely changed the way we listen to music. We don't want to buy CDs or MP3s anymore. We want to listen to the song now and without extra cost. The same is happening with Netflix and the video industry. But there is still one sector in the entertainment industry that remained unchanged, the video gaming. And we believe that this sector is ready for a change today. Well, the thing is that gaming is kind of expensive and not straightforward. To play a game, you just don't open a laptop and start the game. You first have to buy a game, go to the store, buy a DVD or download it. You have to install it, and you need an expensive hardware, a good laptop to play a good game or a console. And if you want to play with your friends, everybody has to do that. So a kind of time and money consuming process. Did you know that a user, a target customer, a gamer, spends €107 a month buying on average 2 or 3 games? Well, our solution is called Pelicast, and this is as easy as Spotify and Netflix. So, you log in, you search for a game, you click on the play button, and you just enjoy. The game is run on the cloud service of us, and it's streamed to the customer. So, our value proposition is in fourfold. First of all, we offer unlimited access to all modern games that can be played instantly. So no need to download the 5 GB of data and install the game. The games are run on all kinds of devices. So suddenly, a game can be run on Apple TV or on a cheap laptop. So there is no need in expensive hardware anymore. It's amazing, right? So let me explain how it works technically. Let's get under the hood. So here you can see the Pelicast users. They can use a smart TV, a laptop, or whatever. By playing the game, they generate user input. It's sent to the cloud, and immediately they get the video stream back. So a really good internet connection is required here. In the cloud, we are cooperating with Amazon services and install the NVIDIA Grid technology. This is a technology that runs a game and exports the video stream to the user. On top of that, we built a Pelicast game library that is responsible for distribution of games to the users. Here in the left corner, you can see the game publishers. That's really important that they allow us to run their games on our cloud. So this is kind of a crucial factor in our startup. We have to convince our game publishers to make us able to install the games on our Amazon service. So how are we going to do that? Well, we give them more profits. We pay out based on the amount of minutes a game is played by the users. So it's pretty trivial that the most popular games get the most money. And this is exactly what we need to get more users. There are a couple of other reasons, let me briefly mention them. First of all, you reduce illegal use of games. Then, we ease up the online distribution. We bring them more potential customers, and we will take care of the updates. So, pretty amazing idea, right? But unfortunately, we are not alone in the market. There are a couple of others, but these are the ways we are differentiated from them. First of all, we are going to offer all modern AAA games, so-called AAA for the latest releases. Then, we are going to use the newest technology, NVIDIA Grid. It's just out for 1 year or something. And we are going to use this technology to distribute our stream to all kinds of devices. And the best thing is that the game doesn't have to be adapted for our platform. So for the first time in their life, a user will be able to play whatever, wherever he wants, in a convenient way, for a fixed price, of course. So, how much does a user have to pay for that?
We'll have a monthly based subscription model with 2 different prices. One basic model, €40, and one premium model of €60 for the hardcore gamers who want better quality. So, how are we going to make money out of that? On the right side, you will see the average amount of money we make on a monthly basis per user. On the left side, you see the costs. These are the most significant costs, and you can see that we make on average around 3 euros per user per month. But how many users can we actually target? This is the market size. The total market size is 1.2 billion gamers in the whole world. But we will only focus on the American market because we need a fast internet connection and we need close proximity to the data centers to offer a real good service. From this, we estimate that we can have around 1% obtainable market, and this is after 2 years around 2 million users. So if we combine profits and amount of users, we get to this cash flow graph. After signing the contracts with the big game publishers, we need 10 months to become profitable and 16 months to get to the cash flow 0 point. To cover this 16 months, we need an investment of total 3 million euros. We need this to develop, to test, and to market the platform. Of course, one important part of the Pelicast solution is the team. We're all really high skilled in cloud computing, have a strong focus on innovation and entrepreneurship, and also we use our skills to position ourselves in the best suitable way in the company. So, we are really excited to bring this revolutionary product to the market, and with an investment of 3 billion euros, we think we can change the game of the gaming industry. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
There was a question.
Well, do you really think that you are
Here's the first question.
Oh, okay. Right. I like your idea. I don't understand how it's different from online. It's the exact same model, but your freelance is expensive. Well, online failed at the beginning of this year. Can you maybe explain how you're different?
So yes, basically the model of online is offering no recent AAA games, and we believe that this is due to the fact that there is the need of a game adaptation from the side of game producers, and we believe that this is why at the moment they are not offering any AAA games recent.
And do you avoid this adaptation? How?
Sorry.
How do you avoid this adaptation?
Basically, we are using this EIT-ICT technology. So the game is installed as it is on an offline PC, and then we use the NVIDIA technology to stream the elaboration directly to the computer device, to the user device.
Okay, and online was $15 a month, I think, and you are 40 euros a month, right? Or 60 euros a month. So how do you justify the difference?
Well, more than AAA games, because you really want to pay for the newest games, and you don't want to play the games who are 2 or 3 years old. Why should you pay for that? That's the difference.
This maybe relates to the next question, that how we are going to persuade the game companies to give them the AA games for use. So.
As we told, we pay the companies per minute, so the most popular games are played a lot of times, and we pay them per minute so they can make more profit than when they sell it just at once for a large amount of money. And now they can keep making money out of it even when it's already bought.
There is one.
So I've got a question with the technical challenge and the risk here. First off, when you said that you're going to target the US market because that's where all the great infrastructure is, actually the US has some of the worst infrastructure in the world. If you want great infrastructure, launch it in Finland. But that aside, the thing that worries me about this is, okay, let's say you're doing HD streaming the video, 60 frames per second, 1080. You're basically a Netflix for games. If you look at the struggle that Netflix are now having with the internet service providers, there's a huge risk there that, let's say you launch in the US, Verizon turned around and said, well, we want half your revenue because you're saturating our networks. How do you deal with that? Has that been part of the plan?
So your question is how we are going to negotiate with Amazon?
No, Verizon, the ISPs. How do you negotiate with the ISPs? So at the moment,
ISPs. Oh, yeah.
at the moment companies like Netflix are
Yeah.
getting the bandwidth for free. They're paying for the CPU and the storage cost of Amazon. But now the ISPs want to start charging the very, very heavy users. So you pay a Netflix premium. That's going to push your subscription costs up, which will make it less attractive. So how do you deal with that?
Your question is clear.
Well, if I can answer on this, there is a big conflict about the net neutrality right now that it is going on, and especially because of this video streaming, that it is actually overloading the network. And of course, we hope that the conflict will be on the side that we won't have to pay for that. I mean, but also the thing is that just the fact that there is this need, and I suppose that most probably we will have to negotiate with the ISP providers. And of course we have some time for this because we are actually starting in the market with not such a big market size, so we will have some time in order to figure out even more in detail how we are going to negotiate and what will be better for us.
Okay, we take one more question from the jury member.
I was wondering, I think the value proposition for getting a game really fast, really easy is a great one for casual gamers. But I'm not sure if, what's your point of view on this? That, I've always thought that, playing like MW3 or MW3 or something like a hardcore game, well, not really hardcore, but close to that. People play that a lot of times, so getting the new game every night is not the thing that they're looking for. They're looking for the greatest experience, not for the bad ping or the latency in the network and things like that. Is the value proposition that you see, is it in line and balance with that?
Yeah, shall I answer that?
Yeah.
Well, you should take a look at the NVIDIA grid technology. That's really amazing. There are a couple of examples where really new modern games are played instantly from the cloud.
And to address the fact that you actually want to have the quality and you only play one game, I think that's not really true because on average people spend 107 euros each month on games, so that's about 2 to 3 games. So there is still, maybe the hardcore games only play one game, but there are also gamers who maybe pay for 4 or 5 games each month. So that will even out. Does that answer your question?